Happy Monday, first graders. Today we're going to play antonym aerobics. Now that the weather is supposed to be pretty nice, hopefully for the remainder of our remote teaching year, your teachers are going to give you as many opportunities as we can to bring your learning outside. Now, before spring break, we learned about synonyms, and synonyms were words that mean the same thing as other words. So a synonym for happy would be glad. An antonym is a word that means the opposite of another word. So let's take a look at three words and see if we can find the antonyms. First word is happy. If you are feeling the opposite of happy, how are you feeling? I'm going to say sad, but maybe you said angry or disappointed or frustrated, which are all antonyms or mean the opposite of happy. Our next word is small. What is the opposite of small? Maybe you said huge or large. I'm going to say big. Finally, nice. What is the opposite of nice? Think about a teacher. Opposite of a nice teacher would be a mean old grumpy teacher. All right, so sad is an antonym of happy, big is the antonym of small, and mean is an antonym of nice. Now, friends, for your activity today, antonym aerobics, on the next slide you will see a chart, and it has all the letters of the alphabet, and next to each letter is a different exercise that you don't need any equipment for. So how you're going to play is you're going to be given a list of words in your seesaw assignment. And you're going to have to find the antonyms of those words. And then you're going to have to find a letter in your antonym that matches one of those exercises that you get to pick to do. So for example, if I had the word slow, the antonym for slow would be fast. So then I would pick one of these letters in the word fast and find the exercise that I might want to do. Because and I noticed a lot of these were exercises that we did with the Apex team when they came in for the pep rally. So for F, it says 10 mountain climbers. Now, maybe you don't know what a mountain climber is or you don't want to do a mountain climber, so maybe you look at A, 10 jumping jacks. So maybe you want to do 10 jumping jacks instead. So you can pick whatever exercise you want to do out of those letters of your antonym. My next antonym, or my next word, is hot. Antonym for hot is cold. So then I would look at my alphabet chart, starting with C. C is a burpee. Now, if you don't know how to do a burpee, you can have a loved one show you or look it up. A burpee is a great exercise, but maybe you want to move on to O. And O is a Russian twist. I actually had to look that one up. That one's kind of fun too. But moving on to L, a 5-second plank. And we've done planks before where Miss Canali had us do like our exercises after quiet time. Or D, we could do 20 high knees where you touch your knees to your hands 20 times. So you could pick whichever one you want. Finally, we have bored. Now the opposite of bored would be, there's a few ones that would work here. Maybe something super fun is happening and you are excited. So I'm going to start with E. I see E is 5 crunches. And again, if you don't like crunches, you can move along the different letters in your antonym and find an exercise on the chart that you want to do. All right, friends, so you'll see a list of 5 words that you'll have to find antonyms for in your seesaw assignment. So hopefully this will give you a chance to get outside if the weather holds up tomorrow, or at least stay active in your house while you're practicing your antonyms. Also, our math game of the week and spelling activity of the week, which are both bonus activities, but they both will give you a chance to get outside. Have an awesome day, friends, and we'll see you tomorrow.